The Second Epistle to the Thessalonians, commonly known as Second Thessalonians, is a letter written by the Apostle Paul to the church in Thessalonica. Greetings and thanksgiving. 2 Thessalonians 1 verses 1 to 4. Paul opens the letter with greetings to the Thessalonian believers, expressing gratitude for their faith and perseverance amidst persecution. Encouragement in persecution. 2 Thessalonians 1 verses 5 to 12. Paul encourages the Thessalonians to endure persecution and suffering with patience and faith, assuring them that God will judge their oppressors and vindicate them in the end. He prays for their continued growth in faith and love. The man of lawlessness, 2 Thessalonians 2, verses 1 to 12. Paul addresses concerns about the return of Christ, warning the Thessalonians not to be deceived by false teachings claiming that the day of the Lord has already come. He describes the revelation of the man of lawlessness, who will oppose God and exalt himself above all that is called God. Paul emphasizes the need for discernment and steadfastness in the face of deception. Stand firm in the truth. 2 Thessalonians 2 verses 13 to 17. Paul urges the Thessalonians to stand firm in the truth of the gospel and to hold fast to the teachings they have received from him. He encourages them to take comfort in the hope of salvation through Christ and to be established in every good work and word. Final instructions and benediction. 2 Thessalonians 3 verses 1 to 18. Paul gives final instructions to the Thessalonians, including requests for prayer and admonitions to work diligently and live in peace with one another. He warns against idleness and disorderly conduct within the church, urging believers to follow his example of hard work and obedience to the truth. He closes with prayers for God's peace and grace to be with them. In 2 Thessalonians, Paul reaffirms the importance of endurance and steadfastness in the face of persecution and false teachings. He warns against deception and encourages the Thessalonians to stand firm in the truth of the gospel, holding fast to the teachings they have received. Overall, the letter serves to strengthen, encourage, and instruct the Thessalonian church in their faith and Christian walk, preparing them for the challenges they will face.